Imagine condensing your entire day of eating, the breakfast sandwich, the office snacks, the pasta dinner, into just 60 minutes. For the other 23 hours, you consume nothing but water and black coffee. This is OMAD, one meal a day. It's the extreme end of intermittent fasting. Some claim it's the secret to mental clarity and a shredded physique. Others say it's a recipe for an eating disorder. So, what actually happens to your cells when you stop eating? For 23 hours at a time, the first 3 days are a mental battlefield. Your body is used to a steady drip of glucose. Around 1 p.m., when you usually have lunch, your stomach releases ghrelin, the hunger hormone. It's going to scream at you. You'll likely experience brain fog, irritability, and a lingering headache. This is your body searching for its easy fuel source, sugar. But by day 5, something shifts. Your glycogen stores run dry, and your liver begins converting body fat into ketones. This is the switch. You're no longer burning what you ate 3 hours ago. You're burning what you ate 3 months ago. By week 2, the hunger pangs oddly disappear. This is where the magic happens. Without the constant spike and crash of insulin, your energy levels stabilize. After about 16 to 18 hours of fasting, your cells start a self-cleaning process. They break down old, damaged proteins and cellular junk. It's essentially a biological spring cleaning. Many people report their skin clearing up and their focus becoming razor-sharp during this window. By day 30, you've likely lost significant weight, mostly body fat. Your insulin sensitivity is through the roof, which is great for heart health. But there's a catch. If that one meal you're eating isn't packed with nutrients, you'll start seeing the downsides. Thinning hair, feeling cold all the time, or losing muscle mass. Eating 2,000 calories in one sitting is harder than it sounds. If you undereat, your metabolism will eventually slow down to protect you from what it thinks is a literal famine. OMAD isn't a magic pill, it's a tool. It proves that we are far more resilient than our snack-heavy culture leads us to believe. You aren't starving, you're recycling. Would you try the 23-hour fast? Or is breakfast too sacred to give up? Hit the bell and stay curious.